we have an Okuma 5-axis machining center, model M460V 5AX, serial number 207716. Machine was new in 2017, and we're going to run her for you. Machine has an Okuma model OSP P300MA-H 5-axis control, a 40 taper Big Plus Cat spindle, 5,000. Machine goes up to 15,000 RPM. That's 10,000 RPM. You have a 15 3/4 or 400 millimeter round table, which is a trunnion table. The table underneath that, the working surface is 23.62 by 15.75. Doing tool changes. There you go. You have how many tools? 48 ATC, big tool changer. He's moving the X-axis. Your X-axis travel is 30. You have 18.11 on Y, 18.11 in Z, 360 degree in C, and plus 20 and minus 110 in the trunnion A-axis. That's your Z. That's your trunnion. And that's your C. That's some cool looking stuff. The machine also has a Renishaw spindle probe, and you have high pressure coolant through the spindle, and a chip conveyor. Hey, thank you for watching our video.